Hi and welcome to Trap Talk TV. Special report. This week we bring you a special report on the incredible India Travel Bazaar. For the first time, the Ministry of Tourism, ITDC and FICCI co-organized the first edition of the incredible India Travel Bazaar in New Delhi.
We want our international delegates to go back with some new insight into India which they did not have before. We want them to go back saying that India is not only November to March, it is all 12 months.
We in the government feel that we should be facilitators for development of tourism sector, and we hold hands with the private sector in all their endeavors.
This is definitely incredible for such an event. This is the first time ITDC, FICCI and Ministry of Tourism have synergized their efforts to create such a platform which indeed gives a fillip to inbound tourism in our country.
I am happy to record that there are 247 foreign buyers from 54 countries, 246 Indian sellers, and 9,256 pre-scheduled B2B meetings.
IITB over the last few years has developed into probably the number one B2B show in India. It's also a show that brings 250 new buyers.
Delhi, it's a big station, it's the entry point to India. So we are looking forward to that because it's one of the famous incoming travel platforms.
Great expectations as always. We have chock-a-block full appointments. So a lot of people from different countries have come.
I think it's looking quite positive. We can see a lot of buyers moving around, and the meetings are going quite well. So it should end up with a good note.
This time is much more organized, and the presence of good amount of foreign buyers. And being in Delhi, it makes much more sense for any chain hotels to participate.
Maharaja Express was envisaged in March 2010. Inquiries from all over the world, especially South America. That is the latest market that we are trying to tap now. And the Middle East.
For more news and information on this bulletin, do log on to our website.